Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech on Cloud. This is your host Abhishek Kushwaha welcoming you to a new interesting video of the Golang series, which is structures. A structure or a struct in a Golang is a user-defined type that allows to group or combine items of possibly different types into a single type. Any real-world entity which has some set of properties or fields can be represented as a struct. This concept is generally compared with the classes in objects-oriented programming. It can be termed as a lightweight class that does not support inheritance but support composition. Let's see with the help of example how we apply structures in Golang. So as you can see in my VS Code, there is a file name already opened, structures.go. So let's try to start with declaring a package main. So package main, we will do an import fmt. Now we will declare a structure with the name address which would be having fields name, city and pin code. So our address contains basically these basic fields only. So we are declaring this in our example also. So type address struct curly braces. Now we will declare fields which is name, city, pin code and the respective types. So it would be of string, similarly city also, pin code would be integer. So as you can see from line number 4 to line number 8, the type keyword introduces a new type and it is followed by a name of a type address and the keyword struct, which signifies we are defining a struct. The struct contains a list of various fields inside the curly braces with name and type, as you can see in the structure address. Now first I will try to find out what these fields contain initially when they are declared. Means we are not giving any value to this fields in address structure, but so let's see, find out what they hold. They hold a nil value or they have a garbage value in them. Okay, so for this one let's make function main, which would be a main part of the function. Then we will assign a variable to this struct var a address and try to print it. Okay, we saved it and we in terminal I will run it. So it says initially it contains 0 value in it. Okay, so we are cleared what they contain at the time of initialization. Now we will see how to access this field of structure with the different fields. So the first method would be declaring and initializing a struct using a struct literal. This is very simple. So we will assign a variable to the struct address. So a1, we will use shorthand declaration here, address, then in braces I would be declaring the values of the fields in the struct. So the address had the field name, city and pin code, so we will be providing value of those. So name would be Raj, capital letters, then Lucknow, city it would be also string, and then we would be having pin code integer 234 something like this. Try to access it, fmt dot println and the variable name a1. Save it, run it. As we can see, the value is here Raj, Lucknow and the pin code. Now the second is initializing a struct is a very simple way. Along with the name of fields, we will be declaring the value itself with the help of variable. So let's see our second method, a2, something similar to this, and now braces. Now here the change will be that we will be giving a value but along with the field name. So name is here colon and then the name Raj. Similarly for city colon and the value Lucknow, not like this. Then pin code, sorry, it's a mistake, pin code should be here. It is an integer. Now try to print it, fmt dot println with the name a2, save. Similar output as the first method. Okay, so this is the second way through which we can access the field of the struct. Now the third and the last main method which we often use is with the help of dot operator. So the initialization method would be same as that of the second method. So I would be copying this state away, line number 17. So Control C, Control V, variable I should change, suppose a3. Okay, now we will try to access it with the help of dot operator. Now how to access, let's see, fmt dot println variable name dot field name. Okay, this will give our correspondence value with the field in the structure. So similarly for other two, a4 dot, not a4, a3 dot city. Now save it, let's run it. See, we get the same value, but the method to access the fields value is different. Okay, so I showed you the demonstration how we access the values of the field. So there are three ways. Okay, as you can see, methods in line number 14, line number 17 and line number 20. So guys, this is all about structures in Golang. If you are liking my content and plus you are liking this video and you like the content of this video, please like this video and share among your friends who are starting to learn Golang, and please hit the subscribe button to know the latest updates whenever I will be posting the videos. That's all for today and for this video. Bye bye.